Okay, today we are cleaning a test of Guayule Seed over the Eliminator 224 seed cleaner. This is kind of what we're starting with here. You can see it's got a lot of large debris, stems, a lot of chaff. For my screens, I have chosen a 12 round for the top and a 7/64 round for the bottom. Again, as in my previous videos, I have taped off the second half of the 12 round on top. This helps. The good seed should be falling through in this first section, and this helps make it to where the larger particles don't have a chance to fall through once they hit this section of the screen. Real quick, before we get started, I wanted to go over with some of the features of the Eliminator 224 seed cleaner that is going to be really beneficial cleaning this sample. The first is the agitator wire in the hopper. Since it's a fluffy type commodity, this is going to really help keep a continuous flow into the cleaner and through the screens. Another thing that's going to be helpful is the screen cleaning brushes. These run automatically under both screens and keep them clean as you are cleaning the commodity. Another benefit this cleaner has that will help in cleaning the Guayule seed is these step pulleys, which help you adjust the speed of the bottom blast fan, which is down there. Another advantage is these air gates on the side, which help you control the volume of air flowing through the seed. The clean seed will be discharged out the bottom. Normally it would go into this auger and be conveyed to the top into your clean seed receptacle. But today, since it's such a small sample that I have disconnected the auger and just opened the trap door, clean out door, and the seed will come out in this pan, and we will look at it when we are done. Okay, so I got the Guayule in the hopper here, and got it opened up. See it coming out on the screen there. You can see the larger sticks and stems and larger chaff. That's going over the screen, and it's coming out on the side over here. You can see it in this bucket. Right out that spout there. Falls off the top screen. The finer particles go over the second screen, the number 7 round, and are discharged here. They fall through it, and they're discharged out this spout here. And the clean seed, like I said earlier, is discharged out the bottom, which we will look at once we're done running the sample. The lighter particles are blown out of the back with the bottom blast fan right down here. I have my bottom blast fan set on the lowest setting with the flaps closed because it is a very lightweight seed. Okay, this is what we got. It's significantly better than what it was. I am gonna maybe try a few more different screens and see if I can't get it even better yet. But this was the first pass through the Eliminator 224 seed cleaner with a 12 round on top and a 7 round on the bottom. This is what the 12 round took out. And this is what the bottom 7 round took out.